When you open the door on the washer, the drum assembly should be even like this. If the drum assembly is dragging down on any of the corners, you will need to check the suspension rod to see if any of them is broken or just became undone. To check them, start by disconnecting the washer from the wall outlet. Then remove the front panel. If one of the suspension rods became undone, all you have to do is put it back in place. If any of them is broken, then you will need to replace it. To replace it, you will need to remove the top panel. This is how you remove the top part of the suspension rod. And this is how you install it. This is how you remove the bottom part of the suspension rod. And this is how you install it. Use the same technique to remove and install the ones on the front or the ones on the back. Now let's take one out in one step. Lift the drum, remove it from the bottom, lift the rod, take out the cup, take out the rod and leave the cup in so you don't lose it. Now let's install a new one in one step. Remove the cup, stick the rod through the hole and secure it with the cup. Get down and lift the drum and connect the rod on the bottom, and that's it. Use the same technique to replace any of the suspension rods. The washer uses 4 suspension rods, 2 blacks and 2 yellows. The black goes on the back and the yellow goes on the front. Install the top panel and the front panel and you're done replacing the suspension rods.